of this game, the Sudoku, is to fill the numbers in a way that no two rows and columns should have a number common, and each box should have 1, 2, 3, 4. So with that, let's see what we need to fill. Starting with the last box, if you see, we could not fill a 3 here. The reason is that no two numbers should have the same number common in the row and column. That means what should I fill? I should fill a 3 here. So automatically 4 will be here because each box should have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, as I mentioned, that each row and column should have 1, 2, 3, 4, and each box should have 1, 2, 3, 4 in a way that no two rows and column could have the same number. Neither the box should have the same number. So what is left in this one? You see, it's 1 that is left. Now you see the first line. 4 is there, 3 is there, 1 is there. 2 will automatically come here. Now you see the midline where this has been missing. 2, 3, 1. What has been missing? 4 has been missing. So you could directly put a 4 here. Now let's figure it out what we need to fill. Okay, starting with this one. 4 is there, 3 is there. You have to fill 2 and you need to fill 1. So let's put a 1 here and let's see what are we going to get. So if I put a 2 here, okay. Now let's fill about the last box. Let's understand. 1 could not be here. 1 could not be here. 1 could not be here. 1 has to be here. Now we need to fill the remaining numbers, that is 2, 3, and 4. So what do you think where I should put a 2? Now 2, again, no number should be repeated in the same row and column. So 2 could not be here. 2 could not be here. 2 has to be here. 3 could not be here. 3 has to be here, making a space of 4 here. Now in this way, we have been filling the numbers in a way that no two numbers should be repeated in the same row and column. Each row and column should have 1, 2, 3, 4. Even not even a single box, we should have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we'll do one more and let's see what we are going to do. With this, we will understand and see different type of question that is based on the Sudoku. Starting with the first one. We could not fill 1 in any of the two places. 1 has to go here. Now let's see what we could fill. Start now. If you see, 2 cannot be here. So 2 has to be here. Coming with where to fill 4, because that box could be filled first. 4 could not be here. 4 has to be here. 3 will automatically come here. The moment you put it, now 1, you could fill these two. This will be 2. This would be 1. Now you can fill the last line. 3 will be here. Now you fill the mid 4. Okay, let's work on it together. Um these two boxes should have 1, 2. 1 could be here because 1 could and 2 has to be here. Now the last one, we need to fill 3 and 4.